Hi DigiScrapper friends, welcome back. And if you are new here, my name is Lydia. So happy you're joining me here in my studio. Back in layout share number 1, I promised to show you how to make a sticker that looks like it's spilling off the page. Well, let me show you how I do it in Photoshop. Let's get into it. First, open the scrapbook page where you want to add the build effect. And then open the embellishment you want to use for the sticker. I'm using this word art by Sara Gleason from her friend Kid. So click and drag the sticker word art onto your layout. So I'll just put it right here. Next, get the polygonal lasso tool. It is nested under the regular lasso tool. So click on it and choose the area of the sticker where you want the peeling effect to appear. So I'll just do it this way. So I'm going to use this area right here. So I know that this is really hard to see, so let me just add drop shadow a little bit so you will be able to see what I'm doing. So as you see, it's like I'm going to start from here. So I'll just do it. So just click once anywhere in that area and then create a loop. So when you see this circle over here, you can click once to close the loop. And then press Ctrl X, Mac Command X to cut that piece. Still using the polygonal lasso tool, make another selection where you want to paste the peeled piece. So I'm going to just put it right here, closer to where it was before. And then press Ctrl V, Mac Command V to paste the cut piece. And then go to the menu bar, click Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. And here, depending on where you cut your sticker, you might need to choose Flip Vertical instead. So I'll click on it, and so now I'm going to get the move tool. So this is really close to where it is, and you won't be able to see it because there is no drop shadow in there. So I'm going to get the transform options to rotate the piece a little bit. So I'll just put it right there. And then using your arrow key, nudge the piece a little bit. So, okay, until I put drop shadow on it, I will know what I'm doing. So let's see. I'll just put drop shadow now so you will be able to see too. All right, there you go. So over here, set the blend mode to multiply, the opacity to 48%, and then angle to 90 degrees. I will just put it 90 degrees over here. Distance to 4 pixels, spread to 2%, and size to 10 pixels. And then just click OK. So let me just rotate this a little bit more. And then nudge it a little bit. And let's see if this is good enough. Yeah, I think this is fine. And I don't like the look of this black over here. So I'm going to sample that area to be white. So in a layers panel over here, while you're pressing the Control or Command T, click on the thumbnail of piece layer. Now get the brush tool. And over here, I will just color this area over here with white. The same like the other in the background. All right. So I'll just press Ctrl D over here. And so now the black is no longer there. So let me check one more thing over here in this the sticker layer over here. I just want to check the drop shadow. All right, so over here for the drop shadow, the blend mode is multiply, and I chose this color, the 2F to F2A for the drop shadow color. And then the angle to 90 degrees. Check the use global light, and distance is 3 pixels. The spread to 2 pixel, the spread is 2%, and the size to 3 pixels. That is how I create the peeled sticker effect in Photoshop. As a bonus, I would like to show you how I create a sticker from scratch using an embellishment, and then add your own stroke. So here is how I do it. First, create a 5 by 5 inches document at 300 pixels per inch. And then open the embellishment you want to use and drag it into the new document. Now in the Layers panel, hold Ctrl Mac Command key and click on the embellishment's thumbnail to create a selection. While still holding Ctrl Mac Command key, click the new layer icon over here, and this will create a new layer under the previous layer. So let's rename it. I'm going to rename this one sticker, and this one I will rename it to white background. Then press enter, Mac return key to commit the change. In the menu bar, go to select, modify, expand. In the dialog box, expand by 12 pixels or whatever works for your sticker, and then click OK. Here, if the selection creates a hole you don't want, grab the Quick Selection tool in the toolbar. Now, in the tool options, click on this new selection icon, and then for this sticker, I will use 20 pixel for the brush, and then 0 degree angle. Check sample or layer and enhance edge. So here in the document, just click once in the area that you want to include. Now, click the foreground color chip icon and choose the background color for your sticker. I'm going to use this color and click OK. Now, press Alt Backspace, Mac Option Delete to fill the selection with the foreground color. In the menu bar, go to Select, Modify, Contract, and contract by 2 pixels. Click OK. Next, go to Select, Modify, Smooth. In the dialog box, set the sample radius to 5 pixels and click OK. Now, press Ctrl Shift I, Mac Command Shift I to inverse the layer. Now, press backspace, Mac delete key to get rid of the edge of the sticker. Press Ctrl D, Mac Command D to get rid of the selection outline. Now, get the eraser tool. In the tool options, click on this brush preset picker menu and choose hard round brush, and I will set the size for this one 6 pixels. Set the mode to brush and set the opacity to 100%. Set the flow to 100% and smoothing to 0%. So now I'm going to erase any parts that I need to clean up in this area. So let me make it even bigger. So over here, I'm going to erase this part too. And then this one. Let's see if there is any other part that I need to erase. So like over here. Okay, I think I am good right now. Now, once you're happy with how it looks, merge the embellishment and the white background together. So in this case, I will merge this sticker layer and the white background together. And so, before we save the project, use the marquee tool to crop the image. I'll just do that and then go to the image and crop. So this is, and then press Ctrl D, Mac Command D to get rid of the selection outline. Now we can hide the background layer, or in this case, I will just drag it to the trash. And now you can save your new sticker as a PNG file. So I'll just show you real quick. Go to File, save a copy. I'm going to name this Leaf Sticker, and I'll just save it in my desktop for now, and then format as a PNG file, and then click Save. And here in the dialog box, I will click on this large file size and click OK. So now, if you want to apply the peeled effect to this new sticker, just follow the same steps I showed you earlier. So here's what your sticker look like if you put it on this page. Let me show you. And I'll just add a little drop shadow over here. Then click OK. That's it. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did and found it helpful, please leave a comment, give it a like, or consider subscribing to my channel. I'd be so honored to have you here and to have your support. Have a wonderful day and keep on scrapping.